Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. What a close yesterday. The Fed was dovish, but then we had a really nice move, and everything started falling back overnight. So that was disappointing to see everything in reverse. In Norway, the central bank out of there, talking about hiking rates later this year. Bank of Japan, some news that they may allow rates to trade freely, which means higher rates. It's a hawkish. They are tonight, so keep an eye on them. But the bonds, they nosedived pretty sharply lower again, taking the next leg. The SLR, Fed Chair Powell didn't talk about that. You could have some bank selling in the bonds. So rates at new swing highs here, the 10-year and the 30-year, really weighing on especially tech stocks. Some of those names that were moving really well to start the week off, they're sharply lower. You got the S&P, though. It's battling at a good level here. Momentum indicator, 39.53. Move above there could invite additional buying. Support at 39.30 is held. That's nice, a higher low than yesterday, too. And the NASDAQ battling a major three-star support, 12,900. So watch that into the close. Now, you do have some good parts of this market. The Dow is positive. Industrials are doing really well. Energies, though, are down sharply, and that brings me to crude oil. Crude oil is down big here today. The April contract options expirations yesterday. I've been talking about that April spread. That's coming in really nice. April against December. Short April, long December, looking for that backwardation to come in. Our target's been 240. So this gives us a good opportunity to exit. Earlier in the week, I talked about potentially rolling the short April into a short May. Now, we're not going to do that. We're going to look to reestablish this spread closer to $4, as again, we do think that backwardation comes in. But we're also inviting weakness in crude oil as a buying opportunity, looking at maybe September contract. So keep an eye on all of that. Looking at gold and silver too, very disappointing again. Very disappointing against that. No one's perfect. I had major four-star resistance, 1757, 1760 there in gold. I didn't really trim into that. I thought we would get some good follow-through. Well, it fell back pretty sharply here today. 1720 is a big level, but now we're closing. That was support. Now we're moving back above 1730. So good close today. Could bring some additional tailwinds. The bond market has stabilized, but you also have silver doing good things, 2630, and you got platinum and palladium helping push these markets higher. So keep an eye on all that. We're here to help with anything on the board. Give us a call, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.